everyone, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change a fuel filter in a Cummins N14 or any semi-truck with this type of fuel filter that is a see-through on any semi-truck. So basically it's pretty simple forward. I hit some bad fuel. This looks like I don't need to change it, but when I woke up, it was at the change fill area. I drained it thinking maybe there's a whole bunch of water. No, not again. It's just filling right back up. So basically what I'm gonna do now is show you guys how to change a fuel filter. So I went ahead and bought one of these fuel filters, but first what we need to do, guys, is you grab yourself this cup. And here's what is going to happen. You are going to put it right under here and twist this knob. You can see there's a knob right here. Twist this knob and drain the fuel into the cup until this is empty so you can unscrew it. Might also, there's a lid on top, might also want to unscrew it. It will come out faster once it's unscrewed up there. Like, I mean, super fast it comes out. Ooh, there's dirt. There's dirt. There's dirt. I'm gonna fish it out. Well, that's good. There is dirt in the fuel system. A whole chunk of it. I'm gonna need to fish it out somehow, or carefully not pour it in, but that was a whole bunch of dirt that just came out. So I got dirty fuel system. I'm glad I got a fuel filter that's gonna clog everything, change everything up. So, time to change it. Alright guys, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this and you're gonna turn it counterclockwise. Sorry, sometimes it slips, but it usually goes, and it's usually quite tight. It's under pressure, and you're gonna unscrew this just like so. And once it's loose enough, you can unscrew it with your hand. Voila, unscrewed with your hand. Alright, there's gonna be an O-ring over here that you're gonna replace on the top. So I'm gonna put this over here for now. I'm not sure what you can see. Perfect O-ring over here. I'm gonna keep them because some of the O-rings are good, but the fuel filter is what must go. And sometimes there's a, I'll show you guys in advance. Sometimes there's a, here, I'll show you, let me flip the camera. Sometimes there's a black piece here stuck. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop it loose. This black piece, it goes on the bottom of the fuel filter. It comes with any new fuel filter, okay? Alrighty, guys, time to open up the new fuel filter. Alright, so it did come with two separate O-rings. One for the bottom, and then let me open up this entire package. Here's a fuel filter, the black. You can go ahead and put this black end right here, right on top, like this. So, right in the middle. And you can put the old fuel filter into the older what do you call, box. Right, perfect. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to change the top little O-ring on this right here. You unscrew this all the way. And there's an O-ring right over here. I would keep the old O-rings just in case, because if they look good, keep them. Just in case one of them rips and you need to change them. All right. Now I'm gonna screw it back on. My hands are gonna smell after this, but I don't care. All right. Next, to change the big O-ring, what you're gonna do is it doesn't even exist here anymore. Well, actually it does. I took it off. But you're gonna put the new one, rightly so, over here. Just like that, you pop it on. And next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna put this right over here like this. And you are going to actually screw on as best as you can like this. Make sure it screws on carefully and gently so that you can easily screw it on later so there will be no leaks. Now let's show you guys later what to do, how to tell if there's leaks or not. All right, next, keep these right here. I'm gonna keep them. We're gonna grab our wrench and you're going to just do it until it's snugly tight. Don't over tighten, but snugly tight. Snugly tight. All right, that should be tight enough. If everything is well and good, so you're gonna open up this cap right here now. And you are going to place a funnel, and careful not to throw this piece of garbage out. But carefully pour it in. And you should be able to tell if there's anything leaking in this fuel filter. Right, that should be good. I don't see anywhere around the seals where it's leaking, so what you're going to do is you're going to take out the funnel, close it right back up, and go ahead and start the truck and see if it works properly. All right, time to start the truck. Oops, almost slipped. Fuel system prime, and it should start up and have no issues. So far, working properly, no issues. Let's go check it out. Looks properly working to me. Alrighty guys, and next, you just clean up after yourself, and that's it, you're good to go. Don't need to wait for a shop to do it, just do it yourself. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down in the video below. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 Turn right. Driving a temp in the 6 Series.